Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting slick down on short for scene natural hair. Let's get straight to the video. If you're new here, I'm Google Sharon and I do lots and lots of hair tutorials. Go check out my other videos and go check out my previous video, Eat Less Blowout on short for scene natural hair. I know you're going to love that video, plus the wash day routine. I'm just going to start this video by combing out my hair as shown in the video. And like you've seen, I'm using my wide toothed comb, and then I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair together as shown in the video. Especially the back of my hair is a little messy right now. Like I said in my previous video, the back of my hair is shorter than the front of my hair because I accidentally cut my hair when removing some braids that I had on. So moving on, I'm now going to be applying my gel. And for me, I'm going to be using that Move It black gel. Eco clear gel doesn't really work on my hair, especially when my hair is natural like this. And Eat Less like this, it really doesn't work on my hair. I tried it before in a video that I wanted to do and post, and it failed. So I had to just get rid of that video. So you guys, as you can see, it's Move It black gel that I'm using on my hair. I'm going to go ahead and just apply the gel. I used a leftover gel from my previous video, and then I'm going to go ahead and open a new one, and then I'm going to just apply the gel as shown in the video on my hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and just brush my hair together as shown in the video again after applying some of the gel. Especially the back of my hair, I have to brush it. As you can see, it's a little messy. I'm just going to be brushing my hair and bringing it together in the middle of my head as shown in the video. So like I told you guys before, I'm not going to be using Eco Clear Gel on my hair because I tried it and failed, and I used a whole container and the hair did not turn out how I wanted it. So you can use any of your favorite gel that you have at home. Yeah. Eco Gel only works on my hair when I relax my hair and then straighten it. That's when it slicks my hair. So when I do the natural hair slick down, I always use black Move It gel. So after brushing my hair and bringing it together in the middle, I'm going to go ahead and grab my rubber band, and then I'm going to tie my hair in the middle. And like you can see, some of my hair is bouncing back. So I'm just going to be fixing that by applying the gel on the areas that are bouncing back, or the areas that my natural hair won't slick. I hope you can understand that. I'm just going to go ahead and reapply my gel on my hair as shown in the video, especially the back of my hair that's bouncing back. And then moving on, I'm going to grab a piece of my whole cloth right there. This is what I use when I use the black Move It gel. You don't want to use your white scarf on this. It's going to mess your scarf. Yeah. And then I'm just going to tie my hair and let my hair just slick and rest. Yeah. After tying my hair properly, I'm just going to let my hair rest so the gel can dry. So when our gel is drying, I'm just going to be working on my hair extension. I'm going to be using the Kinky Curls extension that I made in my previous video. Go check out that video. I really love that video. I made it wholeheartedly and shared it with you, and I know you're going to love it. To make homemade hair extension, you're going to need a piece of stretchy rubber band like this one right here, a black and longer piece of rubber band. You can get it in your nearest boutique. I'm just going to remove my rubber bands that I used to tie my hair, plus the glitter ropes, and then I'm going to remove my thread right there on our curls, and then I'm just going to be separating my curls as shown in the video. If you're new here, I'm reintroducing myself. I'm a Google Sharon. I love doing hair tutorials, and I also do DIY beauty recipes, some healthy recipes, and I also do vlogs, lots and lots of mom vlogs, and I also do a little bit of cleaning. I know you're going to love a bunch of my videos. Check them out on my channel. I'm not done separating my hair, and this is how our curls look. To add the curls into the rubber band, you are going to be using two methods, crocheting, and you can also use your hand as the second method. To crochet the hair into the rubber band, you are going to add your crochet needle into that circle part in your curls. And then all you're going to do is to pass the end of your hair to the other side of your rubber band, and then you're going to just add the end of your hair to the crochet hook, and then all you're going to do is to just pull your crochet needle, and then all you're going to do after that is to pull the longer part of your hair, and you're done. And like you can see, that is done. So for the second method, you can add this using your hand. I'm just going to extend the part of my hair that is circular, and then I'm going to pass it to the other side of my rubber band, and then all I'm going to do is to pass the end of my hair using my hand into that circular hole in my crochet kinky curls. Yeah, I hope you can understand that. And then all I'm going to do is to just pull the longer part of my curls as shown in the video. And when you're doing this, you are going to be doing it gently so you don't ruin your curls. It's pretty simple and easy to do and easy to make your hair extension at home, and that is how that looks, and that is done. I added the rest of my curls to my rubber band off camera, and this is how our extension looks. I hope this video helped you learn how to make your own hair extensions at home, and check out how I made these curls. You're going to love that video. Moving on, I'm now going to be checking on my hair. It's now like an hour and my hair is a little dry. I'm just going to go ahead and remove my piece of cloth right there as shown in the video. When you're uncovering your hair, just make sure you do it gently so you don't ruin your hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and retie my cloth right there as shown in the video, leaving just the part that I'm going to be working with, the part that I tied right there with the rubber band. And that's how I tied my hair, so the rest of my hair can continue drying when I work on the extension. Moving on, I'm going to be adding a scrunchie to the part of my hair that I tied with a rubber band to make it easy for the hair extension that we are going to be adding to stick on my hair since I have short hair. I think that's the best explanation for it. If you have longer hair, it will be much easier for you. You don't have to add a scrunchie on it, and that's how that looks. And then I'm going to go ahead and just tie my extension around this scrunchie as shown in the video. I'm going to be tying my hair extension around and around tightly as shown in the video. You have to tie it tightly so that your extension doesn't fall. Yeah, but you don't have to tie it so tight. It will make you uncomfortable and it will give you an headache. You are just going to tie it tight, medium tight, not so tight. And like you can see right now, this is how this hair extension turned out. I really loved the curls since I made them myself, and they're so bouncy and kinky. I'm now going to go ahead and pick two pieces of my curls, and then I'm going to just roll them around my extension as shown in the video, just to hide our scrunchie. You can pick more pieces depending on how hidden your scrunchie is. Yeah, and like you can see, this is how this looks. So I'm just going to go ahead and retie my cloth in the middle of my hair as shown in the video, so the middle part of my hair can like dry and sleek again. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges, and this is one of my favorite parts in doing my hair tutorials. I really love laying my edges. And for my edges today, I'm just going to be using the Move It Black Gel again. I ran out of clear gel, so I'm just going to use the gel that I have at home to lay my edges. Yeah, you can use any of your favorite gels that you have at home to lay your edges. For me, I always love my edges with clear gel, but today I don't have any clear gel at home. I'm just going to be taking my time to lay my edges as shown in the video. So I'll leave it to watch me for just a little bit and I'll be right back. And like you can see right there, my edges are done and they are looking so pretty. I'm just going to move closer to my camera so I can show you how my edges look. And this is how they look. And since I used black gel, my edges are a little black and I don't really like that. But that is just going to work for us today. I'm now going to be removing the piece of cloth that I used to tie my hair, and this is how my slick down turned out. I'm super happy today since I did not use any heat on my hair and my slick down turned out so good. I hope you like this video as much as I loved making it and sharing it with you. Go check out my other videos in my channel. I know you're going to love a bunch of my videos. I do lots and lots of hair tutorials. I do DIY beauty recipes. I also do simple and easy recipes for eating. Yeah. And I also do a little bit of cleaning. I also do vlogs and lots of mom vlogs. Go check out my videos. You're going to love a bunch of my videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. It means a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. See you in my next video. Bye.